Hey creators, welcome to our Essential Editing Hacks for Beginners series. This series helps beginners master Filmora easily, and Filmora 14 has some cool AI features for all the creative folks. Filmora 14 offers powerful AI tools and features. In this video, we'll learn different ways to improve video quality in Filmora 14. Keep watching. Before we begin, if you haven't already installed Wondershare Filmora, please visit the official website and download the latest version. Then install it on your computer. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. Improved video quality is as important as your content, and here are the key points about the importance of good video quality. A high-quality video reflects positively on the creator or brand, indicating attention to detail and professionalism. Clear visuals with good resolution and color accuracy keep viewers more engaged and focused on the content. How to improve video quality in Filmora 14 using AI. Filmora offers an AI video enhancer which identifies your video and enhances its quality from HD to 2K or 4K using AI with just a single click. Let's see how you can use this feature in Filmora 14. Launch Filmora 14 and start a new project. Click on Import Media to add your video to the media library. Drag and drop your imported video onto the timeline. Select the video clip in the timeline. Navigate to the Video tab and then to AI Tools. Scroll down and you'll find AI Video Enhancer. Click on Generate, and AI will start analyzing your footage, and within a few minutes, AI will replace your existing footage with the enhanced footage. You can see the comparison between normal footage and the enhanced footage. Filmora offers another AI tool, AI Color Palette, which you can use to enhance your footage. This feature lets you enhance your video's colors using smart algorithms. This tool allows you to extract colors for any footage. You can extract colors for movies, games, TV shows, and any video or image. Let's see how you can use this feature in Filmora 14. First, drag your video clip to the timeline. Now, click on the video clip to select it so you can begin editing. To use the AI Color Palette, go to the toolbar above the timeline and click on the AI Color Palette option, or press Alt+M to access AI Color Palette, or go to the Color tab, scroll down, and you'll find the AI Color Palette. Enable it. Then click on Add, and a color palette will open in the Filmora preview window. Click on a local file to import the reference image or video, or if you already have a reference clip on the timeline, use the Timeline option. Then click on Generate. Now go to the AI Color Palette setting and use the Strength slider to adjust the palette intensity. You can even use the Protect Skin Tone slider to avoid any changes in skin tone. Once you're done, click on Save and Apply, and AI will generate a palette for you. These are 2 AI features to improve your video quality in Filmora 14. Download or update your Filmora version from the link in the description. If you found this helpful, give us a big thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators and editors. If you're interested in visual effects and tutorials, check out filmora.wondershare.com. See you in the next video.